Hey, what's up Cardano holder? So this video is going to be very special for all Cardano holder. In this video, my friend, I will tell you the special urgent update for all holders, especially my brother who have a plan to invest in this month, and who tell my friend, especially a lot of experts tell to in July they will moving upward, absolutely 70% chance, so they will moving upward more. But exactly my friend, in the same time, absolutely the condition is very critical now, especially from last 24 hours they will fails down. So in this video we will completely discuss about this coin. So let's get start a brand video. Kindly like this video and subscribe this channel for more this type informative videos. Holder, first of all, you can see here in last 24-hour change occurs. So this time you can see here completely and the negative now. And you know what's the reason to they will fails down? They will negative, absolutely my friend. This is the start of month and every coin in the start of month fails down. So the expert says, my friend, especially Cardano expert says, the Cardano team says, my brother, to and this month they will moving upward. I don't know to why they will tell this, but absolutely there is a lot of chances to they will moving upward. So let's see holder to what they do. But one thing, my friend, I want to tell you to there is 100% chance, my friends, so they will move upward, because my brother, especially from last all month they will fails down. So therefore I know to in this month they're moving upward. Let's see holder, if we check out, my friend, just in only the chart results, so we better understand. Let's see. This chart is completely, my friend, you can see here short to they will move upward, because you know every cryptocurrencies after a fails take a jump. So therefore I know my brothers to after this fail they will take a very huge jump. Now let's see, my friends, just in only we need to hold absolutely after this arrow. You can see here after a fails they will take a jump. So therefore after this fail they will also take a very huge jump now. So I know to upcoming time they will move upward. And don't worry, my brother, every month, my friend, all coin sometime they will move upward, sometime they fails down. But in this month expert says to they will give you a very huge profit. So let's see to what they do. But this is just an only update for all of you. I hope my brother Cardano team is working very hard, so I hope they will collaborate a lot of companies, so they will moving upward now. Let's see to what they do. But kindly please, my brother, for latest urgent updates and opinion, my brother, my opinion is to please hold and wait for the end of this month. I hope they will give you a good profit at the end of month. So please like this video and subscribe this channel for more this type urgent and latest updates. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.